Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. We're excited because today's video is my Glamour Jewelry Box for August. I love Glamour Jewelry Box. It's such a fun subscription, $29.95 a month. And you get, there's also $3 shipping. It does not ship internationally yet, just within the US. But you get 3 pieces of jewelry. They're yours to keep. And so far, every piece I've gotten has been fantastic. Wyatt, do you want to say hi? Wyatt's here with me too. You want to say hi? He's in the sunshine. He already looks sleepy, doesn't he? So you get, like I said, 3 pieces of jewelry. They can be silver, gold, or rose gold. You do get to fill out a short profile, so you can make sure that you get pieces that are more suited for you. Here's the inside of my box. You always get a card that tells you about your jewelry, and usually the jewelry is valued between $75 and $100 every month. So let's dig in and see what I got. Everything comes inside a pretty jewelry bag. I love the pink. Ooh, check these pieces out. Okay, so first up, looks like a necklace. Rose gold. How pretty that is. So it's interlocking circles in a pretty rose gold on a shorter chain. Let's see what this looks like, Zena. What do you think? The rose gold is pretty. It does have a few extra circles there, so you can make it shorter or longer if you wanted. So I was able to get it on right away. And here's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? So let's see what this one says. This one says, Interlocking Circles Necklace. The retail price is $28. A classic necklace to wear with a fun work blouse or a playful casual dress. So I think I fall in the casual dress category right now. So Zena's being bad and she's pawing. Do you need to say hi again? Do you need to say hi? All right. Next item. Looks like earrings, right? Let's see how I can get into here. All right. These look pretty. And these look like they're gold. Oops. Almost lost one. Got a runner. So let's see what these look like. So these look like little bar danglies. Okay, so let me see. Get them both out here for you. So this is the front. Hopefully you guys can see that little bar. And then the back has this pretty dangly on it. Isn't that fun? See if you can see that a little bit better. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. All right, let's see if I can get these in. It does have a regular back. Wyatt's chasing a bug now. Oh, he's on it. Yesterday he killed a bee for me that was bothering me. Now he's beside me because it scared him. He's so funny. All right, I almost got these on. Okay, I got both of them on. They have this nice bar here that is very interesting here. It goes up your ear, and then the back dangly. What do you guys think of these? I have a second earring here, so it kind of goes right above that. What do you guys think? That's very different. And the dangly is very delicate with the stone here in this gold color. Very different. So this one says, Bar and drop earrings, retail price $22. These stunning earrings with a curved bar will definitely be a head-turning piece in your collection. So I think these are very interesting. I had to put the back on fairly tight to keep that bar from moving on my ears. But other than that, they're kind of cute, very different. All right, one more piece. This looks like a bracelet, I think. Little tassel rose gold bracelet. Look how pretty that is. So it does have these pretty tassels. Let me untangle this. There we go. And then it has these little stones here. Hopefully this is coming across on camera. And it is obviously adjustable, so we can pull that out. So it'll fit everybody. And let's get it tightened so I can show you what it looks like. Okay. Here's what it looks like on. You can see it has that dangly here, but when you wear it, it does, you know, just fall in place. So I don't know if this would be annoying for me or not. I'd have to wear it and see. It is very delicate. It is lightweight, not heavy. I think that's pretty. I just would want to make sure I didn't catch this on anything when I was wearing it. And that's all 3 pieces. So this one says it's the tassel beaded bracelet. Retail price is $26. Beaded bracelet with tassel ends provide the perfect eye-catching statement. And this month's box is valued at $76. So not bad for the $29.95 rate. Very pretty. So I do have a code for you if you'd like to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try. The code is HAPPY10. I will put it down below, and that would give you 10% off your first box. Yeah, and I will put the email address and everything down below as well. What do you think of these earrings? They're very different, huh? And the necklace is very pretty too. Nice and simple, but delicate. And the bracelet. Alright, so that's all 3 pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for spending some time with me in the sidekicks. You gonna say bye? Please consider hitting that like button. We would love it if you'd hang out and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day.